Today I have discovered a niche that not a lot of people are talking about recently. You have probably went on YouTube at some point and searched for something like how to make my crush fall in love with me, or how to make people respect you. And you came across these psychology videos. Well, in today's video, I am going to show you exactly how you can make these types of videos. And guess what? You can make a ton of money without even being in the YouTube Partner Program. As you probably know, to get accepted into the YouTube Partner Program, you have to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. So stick around until the end for a bonus strategy to earn a lot of money without being in the YouTube Partner Program. First, we need a script. Now, to write a script, you need to know what is trending in this niche. So let's go over to YouTube and search for psychology. Now just scroll through these videos and see what videos are trending. Now I have seen a lot of channels making a video about how to read anyone instantly. So now we can go over to ChatGPT and ask it to write you a script that is about 10 minutes long, about 12 psychology tricks on how to read anyone instantly. You should start off with a strong hook. Now ChatGPT will generate you an engaging script in seconds. Now there is another way, and I personally think it is the best way to get you script. Go to Google and search for 12 psychology tricks to read anyone instantly. Now you will get a bunch of articles. Go to one of the articles and read through it. Now copy the article and go back to ChatGPT. Ask it to rewrite this article into a 10-minute engaging script. Start with an engaging hook. Now ChatGPT will generate you a script in seconds. Now we need a voiceover. Go over to 11labs.io. This is a software that will generate high-quality voiceovers for you. And in my opinion, it is one of the best out there. Go to the voice library and choose any of these realistic-sounding voices. Now you want to paste your script into the text box and click Generate. Now we need some visuals. There is actually a ton of places you can get videos and images without getting copyrighted. The first website is a free website called Pexels. There is a ton of free stock images and videos you can use. So read your script and get visuals based on what is said in the script. For example, let's say the script says something like people making eye contact. Now just search for eye contact on Pexels. Now filter it by videos, and then you will get a ton PF videos to use. Now just select a video and click download. Now do this for your whole entire script. Now for the last and final part, video editing. Go over to CapCut. Add the videos you have downloaded to the timeline. Now add the voiceover you created in 11 Labs. Now arrange the videos so that it match with the voiceover, and make sure the aspect ratio is set to 16:9. Now we want to add some captions. Go over to the Auto Captions tool, select any of these templates. I am going to use this template. Now click Generate. You can now change the font of the captions, and you can also change the colors. I have promised you a way you can monetize your channel without being in the YouTube Partner Program. So the secret is affiliate marketing. You can go over to any popular affiliate marketing program like ClickBank or Digistore24. Sign up for an account and go over to the marketplace sections. As you can see, here is a lot of categories you can promote products in. For this niche, I am going to go with the self-development section. Browse through all of these products until you find one that will pay you the highest per sale. Let's look at this one for an example. This product will pay me $42 if a person buys this product. Now just click promote and you will be redirected to this page where you can just copy your affiliate link. You can put this link in the description of your video. Now every time someone buys this product, you will earn a $42 commission. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure you subscribe for more tutorials like this.